What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can make money with Doordash. So basically, if you don't know what Doordash is, it's basically a food delivery service app where customers order food to be delivered to them and drivers get paid for doing this. So obviously, if you want to drive for Doordash, you can make money doing this, and it's great if you have any free time, as long as you have a license, a car, and you're 18. Also, you gotta have car insurance and a smartphone so you can use the app, which is pretty vital to you doing the job. Before you get started with Doordash, it's important to consider that it does put wear and tear on your car over time, and it's unpredictable. Income is not set in place. So obviously, if you just got a brand new car, maybe it's not best for Doordash. Maybe if you have an older car, maybe Doordash would be a better idea for those of you with older cars, or if you have an extra junker laying around, that's probably best for Doordash. When you sign up with Doordash, you'll get a red card in the mail. And the way it works is that when people order from a restaurant, you go to the restaurant, pay with this red card where the credits have been added onto, and it's all set up where you don't have to put any money out of your own pocket, which is great. Also, when you sign up, you get a nice bag to carry the food in, which is good, and it just lets the customer know that the food is staying warm, and it's just a nice little touch. But here's the question, is driving for Doordash really worth it? I would say it really all depends on your circumstance, where you live, how much hours you're willing to work, your car, lots of different factors can come into play. Depending on the day, depending on your location, depending on a multitude of circumstances, you can make anywhere between $9 or less an hour to $20 an hour. You just don't know, which is the problem with the uncertainty. That's the problem. A big factor when it comes to the question, is it worth it to Doordash, is how many miles per gallon your car gets. If you get great miles per gallon, it's probably best because you're gonna have to pay for your own gas, and that can eat away at your profits. So if you're still set on becoming a Doordash driver, how can you get the most out of your experience and the most out of your time? Number one, try to ensure that your car gets at least 25 miles to the gallon, because that's just best when it comes to paying for gas. Number two, it's really helpful if you know your way around the city that you're driving in. If you have to keep relying on the apps and Google Maps and Doordash, it can be a little tricky, so if you know your way around the city, you can get places much quicker. Number three, go during peak hours. Do some research on your own to find out where the peak hours are depending on your city. However, usually it's early in the morning, obviously lunch times, late nights on the weekends, things like that. Go during hot times so you can make as much money as possible when you work. Also, Doordash recommends hotspots in the city that supposedly have high traffic, and they recommend you go there. They really don't help you that much. Just be anywhere near a popular restaurant so you can get there quick. Really anywhere you are, you can get orders. So guys, that about wraps up this video as to whether you should become a Doordash driver or not. I hope I helped aid you in making your decision a little clearer. And if you took something of value, make sure you go down, leave that like. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate that as well. Anyway, you guys, we'll see you next time.